Hey guys, this is Alexander at All Security Equipment, and today we're gonna do the unboxing of the BFT Dual Phobos swing gate operator. This swing gate can do up to 16 feet per gate and up to 750 pounds. This is a great machine that we love at All Security Equipment. So you're gonna get that box. In the box, you're gonna get safety signs, very important. Manual on how to install the gate, but also you have everything on our website downloadable on the product page. Here we're going to have the two remotes that come with it. So one per box. Very nice modern small remotes with 4-button. Frequency is 433 megahertz. Photo eye that we love at All Security Equipment. We sell that all the time. It's a retro reflective photo eye with a polarized lens. Great system and very sturdy. Here we're gonna have all the brackets, bolts, and everything we need for mounting the gate operators. See, brackets, and some additional for the control box and other electrical equipment. Here we're gonna have the control box, which is the new upgraded BFT control box. Very nice and very sturdy as well. Along with that control box, we also include the battery backup, with the battery included, of course, right here. That will allow you to have true battery backup in case of a power outage. So your system can work just with power or just with the battery, up to you. And then, as this is a dual system, we want to make sure you have enough cable. So we have included extra cable right here. And finally here are the arms. So of course it's 2 times the same arm. I'm gonna open this one and show it to you. Beautiful arms, really stylish. And these can carry up to 750 pounds and up to 16-foot gate. 1 and then 2 right here, they're both the same. And this was the unboxing of the BFT Phobos dual gate operator, only at All Security Equipment.